Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off bubbles on Messenger. So it's honestly really simple, and if this helps you, please like and subscribe. And yeah, comment if you need help with anything. So let's get started, enough talking. So open up the Messenger app on your phone here, and it should look something like this for you. As you see, your chats, marketplace, and you and your friends here if they're online. Then what you need to do is at the top left, click here on these three lines here, click on it. Then what you need to do is click on settings here. Then go down till you see bubbles. It's like this green icon called bubbles. So what I want you to do is just simply press on it. And now you can select it. Nothing can bubble, all conversations can bubble, select conversations can bubble, or nothing can bubble. And just click nothing can bubble if you want to turn it off, and all conversations if you want to turn it on. So yeah, and that's it. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.